Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you all about managing diabetes naturally with 5 powerful drinks. Whether you are already living with diabetes or looking for ways to prevent it, these drinks can play a significant role in maintaining your blood sugar levels. So, let's jump right into it. Our first powerful drink is a delicious and refreshing green smoothie. Packed with essential nutrients, this smoothie helps regulate blood sugar levels and provides a boost of energy throughout the day. Here's what you'll need. Once you have all the ingredients in the blender, simply blend until smooth. And there you have it. A nutritious green smoothie that's great for managing diabetes naturally. Cheers! It's time to move on to our second powerful drink, the cinnamon and turmeric tea. Not only do these spices add a fantastic flavor to your tea, but they also offer numerous health benefits, including improving insulin sensitivity. Here's how you can make it. Voila! A warm and comforting cup of cinnamon and turmeric tea, perfect for those cozy evenings and keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Let's now talk about our third powerful drink, the fresh fruit juice. Fruits are nature's sweet treats, and when consumed in moderation, they can be a healthy addition to your diabetic diet. Here's a quick and easy fruit juice recipe for you. And there you have it, a vibrant and refreshing glass of fresh fruit juice. It's packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making it a great choice for managing diabetes naturally. Now, let's explore our fourth powerful drink, herbal infusions. Herbal teas, such as chamomile, hibiscus, and dandelion root, have been used for centuries to support overall health and manage diabetes. Here's one of my favorites. Steep the tea for a few minutes, and you have a calming and beneficial herbal infusion. Sip on it throughout the day to enjoy its incredible health benefits. Last but not least, our fifth powerful drink is the golden milk, a delightful beverage with a rich history of Ayurvedic use. Made with turmeric and other spices, it offers potent anti-inflammatory properties and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Here's how to make it. And there you have it. A warm and comforting cup of golden milk, perfect for winding down in the evening while supporting your overall well-being. That wraps up our video on managing diabetes naturally with these 5 powerful drinks. Remember, everyone's dietary needs are unique, so it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to develop a personalized plan. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-friendly recipes, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.